What's up guys, welcome to my channel. It is another day and a day for another ride. It has been almost 4 months since the lockdown began here and our bikes are standing idle. So today we decided to take it out for a ride. It's a Kawasaki Ninja 300 and a Ktm RC390, the archrivals in India. So what is the fun there without competing them against each other? We decided to go easy on the bikes since both the bikes were due for service. So we decided to have a rolling drag. We know how fast the KTM is, so we decided to have a rolling drag to give some advantage to the Ninja. First we tried the 60-100 in gear 3. Surprisingly, the first round goes to the Ninja. What happened is the KTM was running on very low RPM and it couldn't use its full power. The twin cylinder of the Ninja shows what it's capable of. So we decided to have one more round. This time, we decided to do it in the second gear so that the KTM can use its full power. This time we decided to do a 50-100. Let's see what happens this time. It was a very close race and I hit the rev limiter in my second gear, a mistake which I do very often. We decided to call it a day since both the bikes were not in such a good condition, and we decided to continue the race after servicing our bikes. Both the bikes were running on K&N filters and stock exhausts. Not much modification has been done in both the bikes. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for part 2. For more videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell.